Today's question is: what are the common cooking methods? One common cooking method is boiling. Boiling means cooking food in hot water until it reaches its boiling point. This method is often used for eggs, vegetables, and soup. Boiling is simple and safe, especially for beginners, but we must be careful not to overcook the food because it can lose nutrients and flavor. Another method is steaming. Steaming cooks food using hot steam instead of direct contact with water. This is a healthy cooking method because it helps retain the food's nutrients, color, and natural taste. Foods like fish, vegetables, and rice cakes are often steamed. Using a steamer also teaches us proper kitchen safety, since we need to handle hot steam carefully. Frying is a method that uses hot oil to cook food. Examples include fried eggs, fried fish, and French fries. Frying makes food crispy and flavorful, but it should be done with caution. Too much oil can make food unhealthy, and hot oil can cause burns if we are not careful. This is why proper handling of utensils and following safety rules are very important. We also have grilling and roasting, which cook food using direct heat. Grilling is often used for meat and fish, while roasting is used for chicken, vegetables, and even bread. These methods give food a flavor and attractive color. However, we must watch the food closely to prevent burning.